Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. And I finally got my carbon hood, guys. This is the TS style, I believe it's called, the TS style. Me and my dad are gonna install it. Brand new. There. Clean. Here's the hood, guys. God damn, it's clean. So I got the one with the vent on the sides and then the one in the middle. Damn. Looks sick. See? Seibon. That thing is clean. Can't wait to put it on. It's been a cool minute since the last time I vlogged, but here's my BRZ, guys. I think I haven't vlogged for like 3 months. I've been busy, so I haven't been filming, but here she is. She needs a wash. She's dirty. There's my dad. He's gonna help me install the carbon hood. Damn. So can't wait. Imagine I can drive the car like this without the hood. Yeah, it looks sick. But she's all stock. But imagine a big turbo. I will run my car like this, or like a supercharger. But that thing looks sick without the hood. God damn, look at this, guys. Sheesh. Looks sick. Shout out to my dad for helping me, man. So what do you guys think? You think it's better with the carbon hood or the OEM hood? Comment down below, guys. But god damn, look at that. I'm not even aired up. Car is dirty, you see? I want to see how it looks when it's on 0 PSI. Let's see. God damn, I feel like a kid again, guys. Look at this. It's not even a car. God damn, look at that. I like it when it's aired down, all the way down. Look at that. Woo! That fitment though. Sheesh! Sheesh! Look at that. Look at the rear. Sheesh! Man. That's how you can tell I haven't been using the car. Look. See the spider webs? This carbon hood makes a big difference. Look at that. It looks more aggressive. Like before, when it was on OEM hood, it already looks aggressive. But now with the carbon hood, with the vents, god damn, look at that. Man, she looks mad. Look at that. Look at that front end. Woo. Yeah, I can't get over with this carbon hood, guys. God damn, I don't know. I think it's gonna look better with a gloss black wrap on the top. What do you guys think? Maybe switch this up, the aero fins, get a carbon aero fins. There's a lot of things I can still do to this car.